Hello, today we will be taking an evening walk through the streets of the souk in Marrakech, Morocco. The current time here is 5 p.m. and we have a beautiful sunset right behind us. I will be walking with you as we progress through this video, explaining certain things along the way. For example, the golden artifacts you just saw were all handmade and cost around $5 each. Welcome to the vibrant souk of Marrakech. Did you know Marrakech has the largest traditional market in Morocco with about 18 smaller souk? Restaurants in Marrakech often have outdoor seating, creating the perfect ambience to enjoy a meal or sip on traditional Moroccan mint tea. As you can see on the left, this is a common sight locals and visitors alike relaxing under the open sky, soaking in the vibrant atmosphere of the city. Souk here are more than just markets, they're cultural hubs. Dating back to 1071, they were originally created for desert caravans to trade goods like spices, carpets, and leather. Over time, they became the heart of Marrakech's Medina, connecting people and traditions from all over. On your left, you'll see spice shops bursting with vibrant colors and scents selling everything from cumin and saffron to the famous Moroccan blend. Walking through the souk is like stepping into a maze of colors and sounds. The shop on the left is owned by someone who creates everything out of car tires. Isn't that amazing? Each area specializes in something unique. There's souk Semarine for textiles and carpets, souk Nayarini for woodcrafts, and souk Smada for colorful slippers. It's a shopper's paradise. Always make sure to bargain with the shopkeepers. Here's a fun fact: the souk are organized by guilds. Artisans of similar trades work together in specific areas like leather tanners on the outskirts or weavers near the center. This tradition dates back centuries and keeps the craftsmanship alive even today. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing. What a great artist! The architecture of the souk is fascinating too. Look up and you'll see wooden slats filtering sunlight into shafts that illuminate the goods. It's like someone spotlighting treasures for you tagine pots, painted ceramics, brassware, you name it. The souk have been central to Marrakech for over 8 centuries. They've seen traders from across Africa and beyond pass through their gates. Today, they remain a bridge between Morocco's past and present, a living museum of culture and commerce. All the locals prefer commuting on a motorbike, and trust me, they ride it fast, like super fast. Let's not forget the metalwork. You'll find everything from intricately designed lanterns to hand-hammered trays. These artisans have honed their skills over generations, creating pieces that are not just functional, but also works of art. It's mesmerizing to watch them work. You might come across locals singing in some corners of the street. As you wander through the souk, you'll notice how bargaining is part of the experience. It's not just about getting a good deal, it's a cultural exchange. Vendors love to chat and share stories, making every purchase feel personal and memorable.
انا خبرتي تبقى في غيرها
Lastly, let's talk about Moroccan tea sets. You'll see beautiful silver teapots and glasses decorated with intricate designs. Mint tea is a symbol of hospitality here, so owning one feels like bringing home a piece of Moroccan tradition. They're perfect souvenirs. Alright, we're nearing the end of this beautiful video. If you'd like to see more, feel free to check out my recent video on the Bahia Palace in Morocco or explore other walking tour videos on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in another video soon.